Hello, Reset here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Shopify app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, search bar, Shopify, find your app, go to here and check if you have the newest version of the app. If you have the newest version of the app, that means you have here open. But if you have the available update, the update bar should be right here when I stay open. And after you update it, there shouldn't be more issues. But if you still got some, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is go to the settings, scroll a little down, go to the apps, go to Finder, here, find your Shopify app, here we go, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow them all, like here, allow while using the app, location, and all they're the same. Go back here, Wi-Fi data usage, unrestricted mobile data usage. That means you have no limit to your mobile data while using the app. After this, there shouldn't be more any issues. But if you still got some, I'm gonna show you last easiest way. Just go back to the here Play Store, uninstall, and install again. That's the reinstalling that should fix any issues and problems with your app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.